of my life as I completed 3 years of my YouTube channel. So we can say that it's the third birthday of my channel. And one more thing. On this day, my channel has hit the milestone of 2000 subscribers. Something I once thought that I can never do this, but it was not me. It was all of you guys that watch my videos, hit the like button and subscribe button. We did it together. For you guys, you deserve a round of applause. I started my YouTube channel on 11 June 2016. Wow, I literally just realized that was almost exactly 3 years ago. I posted 43 videos. But I promise you all guys to give you many more creativity videos. I'm feeling really humbled right now. There are 2000 incredible people who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you for all your support, love, advice and help that I received in these years. Okay, now you continue watching video as I made a card for all of you. And once again, thank you so much and I love you all.